Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 address on Coinbase Exchange. In order to do it, you first need to launch your Coinbase Exchange application, or you can even come to coinbase.com and log in into your account. After that, you need to go to addresses. This can also be accessed by selecting your profile icon, then click on the manage your profile option and go to crypto addresses. After that, you will see a list of all of your crypto addresses. To filter for a specific crypto, you need to select it from the tradable assets drop down. Now from the actions column, you can display the QR code or copy the address. From the QR code view, you have the option to add the label. If you want to copy the address in your mobile, then you just have to simply launch your mobile application, and after that you need to tap on the receive option on the home page. A default asset will display. You need to tap on the asset name, which in our case is Ethereum. So you just have to simply tap on Ethereum to view the ERC20 address. Now select the asset that you would like to receive. Once the asset is selected, the QR code as well as the deposit address will be displayed, so the QR code can be scanned and embedded in your website. Tap copy to copy the address. Then you can also sign a message with the address. You may have multiple addresses associated with a single crypto asset, so you can use any of these addresses as long as it is the correct address type for the crypto you wish to use. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.